Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you all a sneak peek of a new project that I've been working on. It's called The Shadow Crown, and it's something very dark. Gothic, fairy tale about the evil queen. I know it sounds intriguing, right? So let me give you some more details about this concept.
They call me Brother Darren. Though brother is a courtesy seldom earned and rarely deserved. In these halls, I am the informant, the shadow at the edge of every confession. The voice that never quite belongs, the eyes that see what others pray to keep hidden. Every story is a weapon in the right hands. I listened, I learned. I have learned that in a world built on secrets, the greatest power belongs to those who decide when to speak and when to remain silent. So listen closely. The garden is full of secrets, and I know them all. Walk with me, if you dare. The story is about to begin.
No matter who you are, no matter how strong you are, sooner or later you'll face circumstances beyond your control. Events you couldn't possibly have anticipated or prevented even if you had.
One day, while exploring the castle grounds, the evil queen stumbles upon a mysterious book that contains ancient spells and secrets. Intrigued, she decides to read it and discover its power over magic. However, as she delves deeper into the book, she realizes that the spells are dangerous and could lead to unforeseen consequences.
My dark master. The pieces fall into place with exquisite precision. The girl's transformation continues exactly as we planned. Each betrayal, each moment of pain, each shattered trust brings her closer to the darkness we require. When she sees the last person she trusted choose another over her, the rage will be magnificent. The magic will respond to her pain, will tear through the barriers between worlds. And in that moment of ultimate vulnerability, she will seek answers, seek power, seek revenge. The ancient mirror awaits in the tower. I have prepared the ritual, spoken the incantations, and opened the pathways between realms. The age of mortal rule ends, the time of shadow begins, and Morgana will be our perfect queen, beautiful, powerful, and utterly broken. Your faithful servant.
Memory begins with fire, not warmth, but hunger. This is the story of Morgana, the woman history called the Evil Queen.
But fire at least fights back.
You seek to undo death. There is always a cost.
Something is shifting on this continent. Something dangerous. Something dark.
Join me and I can protect you.
Not on my life.
No magic left to do battle with an old flame.
Stay close, we cannot falter now. The shadows conceal our path, but we press on. Mirror, mirror, tell me the truth. Not the story they tell in nursery rhymes. Show me the face beneath the legend. For too long I have ruled through fear and darkness.
We must act now.
At what cost? This could divide us.
We have no choice.
I can't keep pretending this doesn't hurt. But I must be strong now.
We can't keep running forever.
I know, but I'm with you, always.
Your strength gives me hope.
We'll face this together. My dear, the weight of the crown is heavy, but you will bear it with grace. I understand, but I'm afraid.
Fear is natural. Let it guide you to strength.
I will, Mother.
Alistair, where are you? I know what you've done! Alistair, show yourself!
Let the darkness witness the king's resolve. Shadow, rise and answer. Light, tremble and yield. Shadow, rise and answer. Light, tremble and yaw.
Even a hollow crown casts a shadow.
And some shadows never leave.
The world fears what it cannot heal. You have come to swear fealty.
Yes, your grace.
Then rise and be recognized as you command.
I will not shatter, even if the world cracks around me.
Soon the transformation will be complete.
A bond of sisterhood intertwined with rivalry. In lavish ballrooms, beneath glittering chandeliers, their eyes meet across crowded rooms, a silent testament to their divided loyalties and shared history. Morgana, once exiled, finds not just peace, but profound renewal and abdication. Her journey culminates not in conquest, but in a deeper understanding of self and sacrifice. The final scenes show her transformed, embracing a future she has forged with her own hands. The Shadow's crown.
Kept his dick wet with his same old safe bet. Me and my head high and my tears dry. Get on without my guy. So far removed from all that we went through, and I tread a troubled track. My odds are stacked. I'll go back to black.
I begged you. Please, Morgana, promise me you would be cautious, that you would remain safe. I vowed to Seraphina then that I would protect you, keep you from harm. I believed that by shielding you from the Forbidden Woods, from the magic that beckoned, I was safeguarding your future.
I go back to us.
My Morgana, gods, I saw you tonight in those fancy halls, wearing your crown like some damn mask. But all I saw was you, the girl I knew, the wild one.
I love you much, it's not enough. You love blow, and I love puff, and life is like a pipe, and I'm a tiny penny rolling up the walls inside.
We thought love could beat anything, that magic could set us free from all these damn chains, all the lies. I remember showing you how to see beyond what's given, how to feel the power thrumming in your veins. We'd laugh in the dark, reckless and alive, thinking we could change the world. We kissed under the moon, trembling, with magic in the air. Felt like we were unstoppable, like nothing could touch us.
The power, the rage, the absolute certainty that everything I believed was a lie. Found them all. Every letter, every secret, every whispered conspiracy. They thought they were so clever, so subtle in their manipulations. But magic sees truth, and truth is a blade that cuts both ways.
The old kingship is dying. The divine chaos rises. The realm must be reborn through fire and shadow. You are the vessel. Whether to become the Queen of Shadows or the divine instrument of justice, your choice lies in your surrender to the truth.
Shadow's crown. Every villain is born in silence. Every hero contains darkness.